I feel like every Instagram account is like a censor board. They tell you this is right, this is wrong. We watched so many films back then which had, Sarkaili or Khatiya is something that we've all danced on. If you take out so many meanings and make it so serious a conversation, फिर तो आप किसी भी चीज़ का कितने राई का पहाड़ बनने में टाइम नहीं लगता. So वो तो आप easily कर सकते हो. You know, at that time I made a bad decision. I didn't do it. Like Gangster was one film which went to Kangana, then Tanu as Manu came to me. Then in between there was a part for Mangal Pandey as well, that, you know. So I think I have actually made some really silly decisions. 7 years is a very long time. Because I hadn't thought of being an actor, तो मुझे ऐसा लगा कि क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है? Like even if I'm giving up for my family, for my personal life, you know, sometimes you make choices and उस समय ऐसा लगता है कि ये बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. Maybe I could have managed, but brown skin is a good thing. People want to, you know, be brown and beautiful and all of that. And yeah, you're right. No size 0. We're happy with our curvy Indian bodies.
Yes.
I'm very happy with it. I'm happy.
When the industry people said कि like
Yeah.
you know you're married, I mean we can't work with you, तुम नहीं चलोगी, yeah,
See-
coming with the controversy, everything.
Yeah. I mean, nobody said it on my face, but maybe they were talking about it. I don't know. पर मुझको ऐसा किसी ने कभी आकर नहीं कहा. Maybe they thought about it.
Hi guys, this is Neola D'Souza and you're watching us on Bollywood Bubble. Today I have someone with me who is not just a pretty face, but she's a powerhouse of talent. Please welcome Chitrangada Singh.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
So Houseful is out and it has just created the buzz. How are you feeling about it?
I mean, I was very nervous because पहले कभी कॉमेडी की नहीं and वो भी इतना बड़ा franchise, like it's one of the most successful franchise. So yes, I was very nervous कि, you know, I have to keep up with the others, performance wise, comedy wise, you know, the level, the meter or whatever that they match. It's not easy. It is not easy to match it because एक होती है comedy and then there's a little bit of a slapstick comedy which is a little over the top comedy, which is what Houseful is. That is the kind of, that's the genre that it is, you know, it is over the top comedy. But yeah, I mean, I had a great time working with Johnny Sir, Chunky, Shreyas, Ritesh, Abhishek, Aki. Oh my God, their comic timing is something else. Matlab, they blink and they improvise. It is so fast what they do. So yeah, I was definitely nervous, but I had a great time.
Yeah. So you have worked with Akshay sir time and again, like I think 5 times together, like with songs
Different
and
times,
yeah,
yes,
and
yes.
Desi Boys, of course, it's like a fan favorite. Everybody
Thank
loves
you.
that film.
Thank you.
So how was it? Tell me one thing about Akshay sir, which we don't know. No, I don't want to hear about discipline and that, you know, he's a prankster.
But you know, the fans know him so well. What can I tell you? I think, what can I tell you about him? That he will be okay with is that he वो सब कुछ बहुत ही organic and बहुत ही देसी चीज़ों में believe करते हैं. So he doesn't like to use even how do you say, even his almond oil that he eats. वो खुद उसको grind करने के लिए his people go, उसका तेल निकाल के in bottles. Even that he doesn't like to buy. Like he really follows what he preaches. Everything is very organic. He would be having only homeopathic medicine and nothing else, you know. So it's just amazing how that man, I mean, he lives like a saint, I think. Seriously, जिसे कहते हैं वो saint का life, that everything is organic, everything is pure. He really believes in that, you know, and nothing, कोई artificial protein powder and all this, doesn't believe in any such thing.
So he's a completely dil se desi
Dil
guy.
se desi guy, and what I love about him is that he's so honest about it. You know, it's not that he preaches something else. खुद कुछ और करते हैं. Genuinely, he just doesn't believe in this at all. Yeah.
So let's go back a little bit. Say you debuted in 2005.
Yes.
And you know, there was a time back then you started your career after you got married, and not all actresses do that.
Yeah.
And for that time, I think it was a whole narrative set, like, you know, actresses ne shaadi nahi karni chahiye. Yeah, you know, they shouldn't get married at the peak of their career.
Yeah.
But you started it way like after you got married. So
Right.
do you think that the you heard narratives, such sort of narratives, like where the industry people said, ki, like, you
Yeah.
know, you're married. I mean, we can't work with you. Tum nahi chalogi. Yeah.
See, I mean, nobody said it on my face, but maybe they were talking about it. I don't know. पर मुझको ऐसा किसी ने कभी आकर नहीं कहा. Maybe they thought about it, but they never told me this. हो सकता है कि कुछ चीज़ों में शायद I suffered or maybe some projects I didn't get. हो सकता है. I have no idea about that क्योंकि किसी ने मुझको आके आगे से नहीं बोला कि हाँ, we are thinking of this film with you. Oh, but you're married and we can't cast you. ऐसा has never happened to me at all. In fact, there were some very good projects that for some reason, you know, at that time I made a bad decision. I didn't do it. Like Gangster was one film which went to Kangana. Then Tanu as Manu came to me. Then in between there was a part for Mangal Pandey as well that, you know. So I think I have actually made some really silly decisions, maybe bad advice at that point. You know, you don't know, you are new to the industry. मैं किसी को जानती नहीं थी यहाँ पे. I'm not from Mumbai. I'm not from the industry. So maybe I did end up taking some bad decisions, but वो मेरी गलतियाँ थी. Those are all my bad, you know, calls. So I don't think I have felt कि married है या unmarried है, or even if she has a kid or she doesn't have a kid, because I took a 7-year break. I had my son, and then I came back into films. So right from Desi Boys to Inkar to all these films, I Baby, Ye Saale, everything that I've done is after I had my son. So I was a mother then, and I don't think that also affected my work. Yeah.
Motherhood gives more power, doesn't it?
I really think for a woman तो मतलब I feel your life changes, your perspective on life changes. आपकी सोच बदल जाती है, आपका नज़रिया बदल जाता है. आप किस चीज़ से you feel complete, क्या आपको सबसे ज़्यादा खुशी देती है. Work is there, but the biggest therapy is sitting at home. You know, you go back and you forget about everything. So उससे ज़्यादा खूबसूरत कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता.
True. I like the fact that you like have openly, not many people do that. They don't openly say ki I accept it, that this is my bad mistake. I made
No,
a
it is.
mistake.
I have made bad calls and I wish I hadn't, and it is what it is. Yeah, you learn.
So what I feel is that, you know, you're so versatile, and yet time and again people, like, you have always been here in the industry, still they have associated always whenever you come back on the big screen or you're doing a project, Chitrangada's comeback. Why the comeback when you have always been here? Who decides what comeback is or what isn't? How do you define the years?
I think it's because I have not done back-to-back projects. So उनको ऐसा लगता है कि आप इतना टाइम अगर गायब हो स्क्रीन से, which people are used to seeing, you know, one after the other people are doing projects. Maybe it's because of that. And to be fair, yes, I have done very less work. उसमें कुछ गलत नहीं है. लेकिन you're right, I've always been around. ऐसा नहीं है कि I vanished and I came back. Yes, there was one long break and then one chotu break of like about a year and a half. But other than that, for the last so many years I've been here. But हाँ, पता नहीं. I think we should tell people there are no comebacks. I'm here and I'm working and that's it.
Also, do you think that, you know, when you have like gone on a break, there is a certain sense of longingness from the fans कि कब आएगी हम इसे कब देखेंगे?
I know. You know, actually 7 years is a very long time, and क्योंकि I hadn't thought of being an actor, तो मुझे ऐसा लगा कि क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है. Like even if I'm giving up for my family, for my personal life, I will make this choice. And you know, sometimes you make choices, and उस समय ऐसा लगता है कि ये बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. Maybe I could have managed, but at that point, being that young, I don't think I could have. So इसलिए I decided to leave work and do this. But I don't know about the fans, but I missed, you know, I started to miss cinema. I started to miss being in front of the camera. Like there's a high that you get out of, you know, performing. जो मुझे शायद I didn't realize while I was working. It was after I gave up, and you know, it's when I started to realize. But the best thing is that the fans didn't forget me or my work.
They would never.
I think that was the thing I'm very grateful for. So even after 7 years, when I came back, I was getting calls to do work, and actually Farhan Akhtar's production, they were doing something, a period film, so they found my phone number first,
Yeah, because I
So
saw
that's
somewhere
how
that you had changed your phone
I had changed
number.
my phone
Yes.
number because I used to get a lot of calls, and um, yeah, I was, managing some personal life at that point. So I decided to change my number, and yeah, but he found out that Farhan's production. They found out my number, and Gattu Abhishek was directing that film. It was a beautiful period film at that point, which didn't work out. But yeah, that's how I decided to sort of come back to Bombay and start working again. Yeah.
Okay, so Houseful 5 is a multi-starrer film.
Yeah.
And there is a certain set of narrative which says that, actors don't want to work in multi-starrer films and they have this sense of insecurity. So what was it like when all of y'all are such big people working together? How was there some sense of, say, clash or the narrative जहाँ पे बोला जाता है heroines की जमती नहीं है आपस में? Was it like there?
It was not like that, actually. I mean, I know it sounds fake, but everybody got along with everyone. There was, I think, सब लोग बहुत सिक्योर हैं. सब लोग जितने भी लोग हैं वहाँ पर ऑन सेट इतना काम कर चुके हैं that I think everybody is very secure. I mean, Abhishek, Akshay, Ritesh, Shreyas, Johnny Sir, Nargis. I think Nargis is one of the nicest human beings that I've met. She is such a warm, lovely, real person. Even Jacqueline, so much of work she's done. Sonam, comes from a lot of work in Punjab and now,
Yes.
Here as well. So I think everybody was very secure and very happy with the characters that they were playing. सबको बहुत clarity थी उसके अंदर. So everybody got along very well. ऐसा कुछ था नहीं, but there's no masala I can give you at all on this. Yeah, there's nothing.
Houseful 5, say Houseful as a whole franchise started as a, say, very family franchise, okay? And now there are some critics, there's some netizens, there are people out there who are saying that it is not exactly a family film anymore. They have labeled it as a sex comedy and women have been objectified in the film. But director Tarun sir, he thinks something else about it. What do you have to say?
What did
He
Tarun say?
says that it's a female-driven film.
See, I mean,
And the men are flawed in the film.
Men are definitely flawed in the film. I mean, I'm not saying, I'm not defending the film at all, but I feel like a lot of jokes are on the men also. If you see, it is very balanced. If you see the kind of jokes and practical jokes being cracked on Abhishek and Ritesh and Akshay himself on himself, his character in the film, there are a lot of jokes on the men as well. But yeah, I mean, like how you're saying it, of course, the humor has changed from the first one. There is a change, and there will be a change in the writing. There will be a change with the director, new director, coming on board. Everything can't remain the same, I suppose. And I feel like हर film का एक अलग tone होता है, एक अलग humor होता है. Like I always, I've been saying that, say for example, a Golmaal, for that matter. Or if you look at even Pink Panther series, in English, also has certain humor, which is kind of adult in a way that we as adults understand कि ये मजाक है. It is not supposed to be so serious. We are not taking any moral responsibility or social responsibility or gender, such things that, we have to be very sort of, equality in the gender when we are cracking jokes. I don't think it's about that. It's entertaining you. We are saying, even in a trailer, this is what the film is. And that is what the film is. I don't think it should be so harshly judged कि यही parameter होना चाहिए. I feel that socially also हम लोग आजकल इतना careful हैं of what we say. हर चीज़ पे objection, हर word पे कि ऐसे कहा. That इतना ज़्यादा हम उसको edit and censor and sanitize कर देते हैं कि वो we've lost the sense of humor completely.
Right, it's like तुम सांस ले लो and एक controversy हो जाती है.
कुछ उस चीज़ के पर आपको कहा जाएगा. Like, I mean, I don't know. There's so many such films that we go and watch, Western cinema, Hollywood, and we are okay with it, because we understand, this is that kind of comedy. So I feel even this has a certain tone, जो कि हमको समझना चाहिए as adults, that this is, anyway, it's a UA certificate, right? So
and true,
the censor has passed it, so I suppose.
And any sorted film which is releasing in this period of time, everything is coming with the controversy. Everything,
Yeah.
the backlash faced by people, everything. So you don't know anymore कि क्या होने वाला है.
You don't know, like I was saying, I feel like every Instagram account is like a censor board.
Yeah.
You know, they tell you this is right, this is wrong. And back in the day, we watched so many films back then which had, I mean, Sarkaili Khatiya is something that we've all danced on. It's because we understand that there's a certain, it's मतलब ऐसा कहते हैं ना कि उसको किस इंटेंशन से कहा है, किस तंज में कहा है आपने किसी चीज़ को. There is, you have to take it in the same manner.
True.
You know, if you take out so many meanings and make it so serious a conversation, फिर तो आप किसी भी चीज़ का कहते हैं ना राई का पहाड़ बनने में टाइम नहीं लगता. So वो तो आप easily कर सकते हो. So it's I think we need to all have a sense of humor.
Exactly. And be a little bit light-hearted.
And get a little light, yeah.
Audience
like,
these
try
days,
and laugh at things, you know.
Audience these days, they don't watch movie because like they want to enjoy or something. Everybody wants to be a critic there. Everyone, nobody's just enjoying it.
It's very tough to keep everyone happy now, yeah.
Yeah, that's difficult.
It's a tough job.
So coming to your dancing part, fans have loved your songs previously. Kafirana, Kundi Mat Khadkao, Raja. Where does all the dancing element come from? Are you like a trained dancer? Have you learned this before?
Well, I mean, I was a kid but I learned Kathak. I did learn Kathak for about 3 years. लेकिन उसके बाद ऐसा कोई formal training नहीं है. But I think I just enjoy dancing so much. I think when you dance, when you perform, it's a lot of acting, you know. As an actor, it's not just 1, 2, 3, 4.
Right.
But when you perform a song, it has so much more. It's a performance. It is not just a dance, you know, whatever, like this thing. It is actually a performance. Like you see Madhuri perform. My God,
Yeah,
she's one of my...
She's phenomenal.
I mean, she's one of my all-time favorites. Or you saw Wahida ji perform back in the day, or Helen. So they were not just doing a dance number, it was a performance. They literally played a character, you know. So I think that's what I love.
But do you think that, you know, now media, like anybody does a dance number and then they put a term saying that it's an item song. This is an item number. Nothing is wrong in that. Everybody loves, I love item songs. That's like my go-to jam. But then why do, like everybody else perceives it in a wrong way? Like you've said time and again that, you know, you had this whole image created, like people had created an image that you are a seductress. Do you think that it comes from there, that you did item songs and you did such things which led to that?
Well, you know, I don't know what leads to what, honestly. लोगों को कहाँ से किस चीज़ का impression हो जाता है, क्योंकि अगर आप देखें तो मेरी first film was Hazaro, which is very, very simple.
Yes.
A lot of my work is very, very simple. But I don't know. But मुझको तो ऐसा लगा when Farah came to me for Kafirana, I thought I'll never be able to perform. That was the first time I danced in front of the camera. And she said, of course you can, and you have the look, and you don't have to look like, you don't have to be in a cotton sari all the time. You're this hot woman and you have to look like, you know. So you know, sometimes it's the eye of the, say, the director, eye of the writer, or the eye of the choreographer in this case, you know, like Farah. I think it is that when they imagine you a certain way. So as an actor, I can transform into anything, you know. I mean, I would love to do an action film actually after this. I would love to, because I got to do a little bit of action in Houseful 5B. So yeah, I mean, I would love to do some action. So I think acting is acting. I love it. So yes.
True. And coming to Kundi Mat Khadkao, Raja, we know that your Honey sings like girl crush every day. Okay, so what do you have to say about that? Like not every day, you know, a song gets dedicated to us. I mean, not to us, but of course you. How do you feel about that?
Which song?
Brown Rang.
Oh yes.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah, I know. Well, I feel very flattered. I think Honey Singh is an amazing artist. He's so good, and I'm so happy for him that he's made such a huge comeback. And like how, yeah, I mean, it's a huge compliment. So thanks, Honey.
And time and again, he's just been like, you are a goddess. You are a goddess, which you are, no doubt.
Yeah, thank you.
But yes, you're a producer as well. And Do you have anything coming up? Are you planning something that I'll produce this?
I just produced one film, and I've been saying it. I did it because I loved the idea, and I was, matlab, at that point looking to do something good, and I wasn't getting acting parts at that point that I wanted to do. So literally passion project, one-time project. But yeah, I think वो होता है ना, like you enjoy that excitement so much that you wish that something else comes which excites you as much. So yes, there is a project that I'm trying to put together. So tough times in the industry, but I hope that it all comes together.
But as a producer, like, do you have this fear कि financially loss हो जाएगा and that certain sense of nervousness?
Of course. I mean, see, I've only produced one, like I said, I can't tell you. But that's another high, to get the whole project together, to put things together, to get the right people together. The cast, the wish list, was Diljit and Tapsi together. So I can't tell you how happy I was that day, when I got a call and I said, yeah, Diljit said yes, because he was taking time, and I'm like, no, I really want him. I'm like, oh my God, that's amazing. So yeah, I mean, I learned so much. I think जितना मैंने उस 2 साल में सीखा है about cinema, about the business of cinema, and it's been my biggest learning experience. Yeah.
So coming to now the beauty standards in the industry, do you think that they have changed over time? जैसे कि there was a time where everybody wanted a skinny actress, size 0 was trending, gori kudiya and everything, and now it's all about the brown rung.
Yeah.
And everything is, better than before. So do you think that people have become more accepting? Say the industry has become more accepting towards it.
I think right now we are all, like, collectively, I think the whole country right now feels very proud. Every Indian is very proud of being an Indian, very proud of Indianness, whether it is our culture, our skin color, our food, our songs, our traditions, our history. I think we have now, maybe because we've traveled so much, a lot of people have had this exposure. So there is this change in where we don't want to be like the West. We are very proud of being Indian. And I think वो slowly audiences के through reflect कर रहा है in the films also. So I always feel cinema is a reflection of the society,
right?
What's going on. So an average girl in college is very proud of how she is. She's very comfortable in her skin now. I am this size. This is what I'm wearing. This is who I am. This is what I think. This is how traditional I am, and I want to wear a sari. So now that reflects in cinema. So I feel it's thanks to the audience actually. बहुत बड़ा change आया है in the people. And the women of this country actually. So I think uski wajah se there's a huge change in the industry. It is not, even the audience is not so male dominated anymore. Women have a huge part of the audience is taking a call, kaun si film dekhni hai. Financial independence. There's so many factors I think which affect it. But you're right, we are in a far better place right now. People are proud of being, dusky beauty is supposed to be great now. Brown skin is a good thing. People want to, be brown and beautiful and all of that. And yeah, you're right, no size 0. We're happy with our curvy Indian bodies.
Yes.
I'm very happy with it. I'm happy to be
People
one.
literally apply like tons of fake tan and they are like,
yeah,
and then go on a beach and I don't know what else to get that done to themselves.
Right.
So, as a mother, now coming to that part of your life, I think your son is going to turn 18 soon, in a year, 2 years, this year.
Yes.
I'm not sure,
yes,
somewhere around here.
Yes.
It is just unbelievable. Like, by looking at you, nobody will tell. So how is it like, having a teenage boy who's like going to be 18 soon?
How is it? Well, it's a lot of fun. I think when you have kids early in life, because I was a young mother, and I think it's the best thing, because it's like you have a friend. You have your best friend, your best advisor, your best critic, because he will give you the most honest opinion on things. So yeah, I think I have loved every moment of it, and I think it's the best thing I could have done for myself to become a mother. It's the most beautiful experience that a woman can have, and to always know that if nothing else, you have this, which is the most amazing thing in your life. So then your whole perspective on life changes, I feel. Yeah.
But at this age, are there like, are you like best friends or like,
I think we're best friends.
are there like
We are best
tantrums ki
friends.
mama I'm gonna do this, mama I'm going here,
No.
bye.
Our relationship, I think, has always been very friend-like. And now it's more than ever, If he's in the middle of something and he's in some, whatever, not trouble, I don't mean trouble, but like hota hai na, issues, he picks up the phone in the middle of the night and calls me. So I'm very happy that we have that going where, and sometimes he tells me, he says, Mom, what are you putting on Instagram? What is this? So he's like, put some chill stuff, put this stuff, put that stuff. So yeah, I mean, I think it's a friend that I have in him, yeah.
But I don't think so. You're very active on your Instagram as such. Like you are,
But I'm not.
But you're not. Like you're active in
Yeah.
the same way you have to like put stuff, say outfits and all that,
Yeah.
brand deal stuff, but
I
not like your
don't think
personal
I'm
stuff.
Very personal. Yeah. I mean, what can I say? Yes, you're right.
But you
I'm
do
not.
put your makeup videos.
I
Those are
sometimes
cool.
have moments when I'd be like, yeah, today let's do something, and it'll be exciting. But every day, if I have to do something, then it gets a little like I really have to push myself.
Right.
I don't know. It doesn't come to me like I should put this, or I'm having this, and I'm eating this, or something or the other, or I'm here. It just doesn't come naturally. So, but I'll try.
Yes.
I'll
We'll be
try.
waiting.
I keep saying that.
Also, what is your take on fashion? Like, as we were talking off camera about the bangles, they remind me of the Desi Boys era. And we know
Yeah.
the song Allah Maaf Kare. It had like a bunch of very bright outfits.
Yeah.
Everything was, so cool. And these bangles were constant in like different colors.
Yes.
And the
that was
heels.
thing.
Heels were
Oh my
like
God, yes.
too good.
Very bright color
Yes.
heels, yes.
And
Yeah.
now over time, you see that like earlier everything was vibrant and now everything is like thoda
Muted.
muted, beige, and everything is like, in trend. What do you have to say about like, today's fashion when you compare it to back
I
then?
love the 80s, yeah. I love it. The 80s and 90s, early, whatever those days were actually amazing. All those funky colors were really cool. But yeah, I think we've all become very sober and very...
Yeah, there's no drama anymore in the outfits.
There's no drama in life, of that kind. Everybody's so careful. Everything is very controlled. I don't know, yeah. I guess, yeah, there's a huge change. I was seeing an Instagram story somewhere जहाँ पे उन्होंने दिखाया कि what the burger joints used to look like back in the day,
Yes.
and what they look like today. So everything is grey. It is steel and black
Yes.
and glass, and way back it was all bright colors, and I don't know. I really miss all that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think
the-
there should be a big change.
Yeah, those big dangling earrings we used to match with every outfit.
Those plastic earrings, I
Yes,
remember.
yes, of every
Yes.
single color. They were too cool to handle.
They're damn cute, yeah. Everything's become very proper now. Yes.
What is like your one go-to fashion look if you want to? You have to leave your house in 5 minutes. What would you do?
Oh God.
What is the first thing you'll put together for yourself? Say you have a meeting to go and you have to like
See, I'm a
look
very jeans
presentable
and
enough.
t-shirt girl. It's very jeans, t-shirt. So I would probably put on a pair of jeans and a round neck t-shirt or whatever, some t-shirt with a great pair of heels. I think that's one thing that fixes everything. So invest in heels, don't invest in clothes, I think.
Right.
You can wear any cool looking jeans and a regular t-shirt and put on a great pair of heels and you look like, really put together.
So are you a heels or a sneaker girl? Heels.
I'm actually a sneaker girl, completely sneakers. But yeah, when I have to dress up, the only way I can do it is take my sneakers off and wear a pair of heels. So that's what I do.
True.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much, Chitrangada, for
Thank
the
you.
interview. It
Thank
was
you.
lovely having you.
Thank you so much. Hi, this is Chitrangada Singh and you're watching me on Bollywood Bubble.